kasabay sa quincentennial commemoration sa first circumnavigation sa kalibutan ug pag-abot sa mga Kastila dinhi sa nasod atong hinabion karon ang mayor sa Giwan, Eastern Samar, Mayor Annaliza Gonzalez Cuan. Mayong buntag, Mayor. Kumusta po kayo?
Good morning to you, Cecil, and good morning to all na nanonood sa program mo. Okay lang po, we just finished the quincentennial celebration of Giwan, and we are so happy that it was very successful.
Mayor, first of all, congratulations sa very successful series of events nyo dyan sa Giwan, Eastern Samar. How do you feel about this milestone, Mayor?
Of course, I'm very happy and I'm very proud, and I thank those who helped para maging successful ito. Salamat din sa inyo. Nagpadala kayo ng mga tao para mag-witness sa celebration na ito. March 17, 15, 21, 500 years ago. And so, they were sick, very, very sick. They were tired. They were hungry. And then 9 fishermen from Homonhon Island arrived. Akala nila away na naman. But then, sabi nga ng Pigafetta na hindi naman, parang joyful naman yung mga faces nila. Hindi naman away yung sadya ng mga taga-suluan. Binigyan sila ng pagkain and parang they offered friendship and then sinabihan sila. I don't know how, but it was how they did it, maybe sign language, because of course they did not understand each other.
Yes.
Nababalik kami. And then 4 days after, bumalik sila, 3 boats na. Marami-rami na sila. And yun, tinulungan sila, pinakain sila, they made friendship with them, and then they took care of the sick, tired, and dying Magellan and his crew.
That's a very colorful part of your history dyan sa Samar, Mayor. How does it feel na ang mga tao, yung mga mulupyo nyo dyan sa Suluan Island are considered as people of compassion? Sa pinakita nilang pag-aasikaso sa mga Spaniards.
Dito sa Giwan, yung sinasabi namin na pinakita namin yung humanity. Hindi namin inaway yung mga strangers. Inasikaso namin sila.
Yes.
And had it not been for us taking care of them, they could not have completed their voyage at saka walang circumnavigation of the world. So that's what we are. Our gift to the world is our kindness, our humanity, and this is what we are celebrating. And this is the kind of people that we are. Ito ang Pilipino. Ito ang Giwananon.
Yes, oo. Mayor, and talking about the gift of humanity and victory na ipinakita po ninyo, no? Lalo na sa mga Spaniards. After unveiling all the historical markings dyan po sa lugar ninyo, are you planning to make it a tourist attraction para po sa mga taong interesadong bumisita dyan?
Yes, actually, ang Giwan napakaganda. It is not only na maganda kami sa mga tanawin, our surfing waves, our white sand beaches,
yes,
our history, and of course, ang mga tao, ang babait ng mga tao sa Giwan.
Mayor, how will these historical marks help your town, especially po ang turismo nyo po and of course, employment din?
Of course, syempre, if there is tourism, there is employment and yung job generation. Kaya we are really promoting this. Thank you to you, the media people, and all those who are helping us. Kasi nalalaman na ng mundo. Parang everybody just want to come to Giwan. And I notice it, na maraming tumatawag sa amin na paano pupunta ng Giwan? Bibisita kami ng Giwan. Kahit ngayon, I just had guests from Manila na gusto nilang makita sa Giwan kasi nakikita nga nila sa TV at saka sa Facebook.
Lastly, Mayor, ano po yung mensahe nyo po para sa lahat ng mga Kapuso viewers natin this morning?
Come visit Giwan, We will take care of you. You are very safe kung nandito po kayo sa Giwan. That's what I want to tell the whole world. Giwan is a safe place. You will enjoy it here and savor our heritage, our kindness, and our humanity. Thank you.
Thank you also, Mayor. Sana makabisita din kami dyan sa lugar nyo. Thank you so much po.
Anytime po. Just let us know. You have my number. Call me. We take care of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor.